Yeah, I just hit the grass stitcher and lay out my seed and do a starter fertilizer. I want to see how long this take to grow, this Bermuda grass. I didn't do this side here. I'm gonna see how long it takes. Give y'all an update on this. Behavior grass cut down low to the no return. Over trying to start a whole new line. Threw some little compost down here. They call it topsoil, but like majority of compost. See how long this take right here compared to doing it that way with the grass stitcher. Let me show you the grass stitcher real quick. Back in the messy garage. That is my earthquake spreader. Boom. Yeah, boy. Just got her, still trying to figure out. And here's the grass stitcher. Don't need to do no review. I'm gonna try it out, see how it will work, see if it do what it says. This grass stitch ain't bad, but you gotta keep your grass moist before you start doing it. Follow update on that.